Did you know nearly 99% of older adults are risking a serious fall every day, without even knowing it? It's not just bad luck, it's usually one of 5 avoidable mistakes, and today, I'm going to show you the 5 most common balance mistakes that quietly affect older adults, and how you can fix them starting right now. Mistake 1. Strength starts with steps. One of the most common mistakes older adults make is believing that strength fades and cannot return. In truth, strength, especially in the legs, is not just a matter of youth. It is the foundation of independence, and it begins with something simple, taking steps. As we age, it's natural to slow down. But when walking stops altogether, often due to fear of falling, the body begins to weaken even faster. Ironically, this fear often creates the very situation people hope to avoid. Muscles atrophy, joints stiffen, and confidence erodes. The real danger lies not in moving, but in becoming too still. The solution isn't complicated. Begin by walking more, wherever and however you can. A 10-minute stroll around the block, pacing your hallway, or even walking in place during a commercial break can provide measurable benefits. These small movements engage large leg muscles, encourage joint flexibility, and improve circulation, all of which contribute to balance and strength. To go a step further, incorporate basic, low-impact strength exercises into your daily routine. Seated leg lifts can be done while watching television. Try standing calf raises while holding onto the back of a chair or kitchen counter. If you have stairs at home, stepping up and down slowly, even just the bottom step, strengthens the thighs and hips. These movements may seem minor, but done consistently, they lay the groundwork for more stable, confident mobility. But perhaps the most powerful step is not physical, it's mental. Strength is as much about mindset as muscle. Rebuilding trust in your legs and your body happens through motion. With every deliberate, steady movement, your brain begins to relearn that your body is still capable. That small spark of confidence grows over time, reducing the fear that holds so many people back. Don't underestimate the power of daily effort. You don't need a gym or fancy equipment. What you need is commitment, patience, and a belief in the possibility of improvement. Let every step be a message to your body, I'm still here. And I'm still in control. Strength doesn't disappear overnight, and it doesn't return all at once. But with purposeful, consistent movement, it does return. Remember, movement is not just activity, it's medicine. And that medicine begins with a single, courageous step. Mistake 2. Footwear shapes your future. Footwear is more than fashion, it's a foundation. As trivial as it seems, the shoes you wear every day play a critical role in maintaining your balance. Sadly, many older adults wear soft slippers, loose sandals, or worn-out shoes around the house, not realizing these choices can dramatically increase the risk of falls. Shoes should support, not slip. The ideal footwear for older adults includes a firm sole, a snug but comfortable fit, and a back, no flip-flops. Rubber soles help with grip, and a small heel, or none at all, promotes stability. Avoid shoes with thick cushioning that feel unstable or cause the foot to sink. Indoors. Slippers should have a structured sole and a heel guard. If you tend to shuffle your feet, avoid shoes with sticky soles or uneven treads, which can trip you up instead of steadying you. If possible, get professionally fitted. Feet can change shape over time due to arthritis, diabetes, or simple wear and tear. Many seniors wear the wrong size without realizing it, leading to foot pain and unsteady walking. Finally, check your shoes every 6 to 12 months for wear. Smooth treads, uneven soles, or frayed insoles are signs it's time to replace them. Good shoes are an investment in safety and your independence. In short, the right footwear today can prevent a fall tomorrow. Mistake 3. Practice balancing every day. Balance is much more than a simple physical ability. It is a vital skill that supports safety, independence, and confidence in everyday life. Yet, many older adults make the mistake of believing that balance simply goes away as they age. This is a common misconception. While it is true that muscles may weaken and reflexes slow over time, balance is not something lost forever. Instead, it is a skill that can be maintained and even improved through regular, deliberate practice. The key to preserving balance lies in daily habits. Neglecting this aspect of health can lead to instability and increased risk of falls, but consistent, simple exercises can strengthen your body's ability to stay steady. You don't need to master advanced yoga poses or complex fitness routines to see improvement. Even modest movements, done steadily and mindfully, can build strength and coordination. For example, try standing on one leg while lightly holding onto the kitchen counter for support. This small challenge encourages your body to engage the core muscles that keep you upright. Another simple exercise is walking heel-to-toe down a hallway, focusing on placing each foot directly in front of the other to improve steadiness. Sitting in a chair and lifting one leg at a time also helps activate muscles vital for balance. Beyond physical strength, balance requires awareness. Pay attention to how you move through your environment. Do you rely heavily on walls or furniture to steady yourself? Practicing mindful walking, taking slower, purposeful steps with your head held high, can retrain your body to be more alert and responsive to changes in terrain or unexpected obstacles. Incorporating balance exercises into your daily routine, just 5 to 10 minutes a day, can retrain your nervous system and enhance your control over movements. If you are uncertain about beginning these exercises alone, many communities offer low-impact classes tailored for older adults, such as Tai Chi or senior yoga. These gentle activities promote not only balance but also flexibility and peace of mind. Remember, balance is not something you lose permanently. It is a precious skill to be nurtured and maintained, one moment, one movement at a time. Mistake 4. Lighting saves your life. Lighting may seem like a minor detail, but for older adults, proper illumination can literally mean the difference between a safe step and a dangerous fall. As vision declines with age, often due to cataracts, glaucoma, or simply reduced night vision, the body's ability to detect hazards in dim areas decreases dramatically. Poor lighting is especially dangerous at night. Getting up to use the restroom, fetch water, or check on a sound becomes risky when the path is dark or shadowy. That's why nighttime falls are so common, and so preventable. Every hallway, bathroom, and stairwell in your home should be well lit. Plug-in night lights with sensors are affordable and turn on automatically in the dark. Motion sensor lighting is another excellent tool, ensuring that walkways illuminate as soon as you move. During the day, let in as much natural light as possible. Draw back curtains, open blinds, and replace any dim or burned-out bulbs with bright, warm light. Check your entryways too. Exterior steps, porches, and garages often go unnoticed, but they're common fall zones. Solar-powered path lights or battery lanterns work wonders. Lighting isn't just about visibility. It's about reducing hesitation, increasing confidence, and eliminating the hidden risks that come with shadows. In short, don't let a dark corner become a dangerous mistake. Light the path, and protect your step. Mistake 5. Medications change your balance. Most older adults take more than one medication, and while these prescriptions are essential for health, they can also be a hidden danger to your balance. Many medications, especially those for blood pressure, sleep, anxiety, or pain, can cause dizziness, drowsiness, or slow reflexes, increasing the risk of falls significantly. This is especially true when medications interact with each other. One pill might not cause issues alone, but in combination with another, it could lead to lightheadedness or confusion. That's why reviewing medications regularly with a doctor or pharmacist is not just a good idea, it's a necessity. Pay close attention to how you feel after taking your medications. Do you feel woozy when standing? Do you notice more fatigue even during the day? These can be subtle signs that your balance is being affected. Never stop taking a prescribed medication without consulting your doctor. Instead, bring up concerns during checkups. Ask if certain pills could be replaced with gentler options or if timing changes might help. Also, avoid alcohol and always take medications with water unless directed otherwise. Even dehydration can magnify side effects. Managing medications properly is a quiet act of self-defense. It means staying alert, protecting your steadiness, and keeping your mind sharp. In sum, when it comes to balance, your medicine cabinet might be just as important as your walking shoes. Finally, staying balanced isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things, every day. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes, you can protect yourself or a loved one from unnecessary falls and keep independence strong. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. And if you'd like more time-tested tips on healthy aging and staying steady on your feet, be sure to subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, stay strong, stay steady, and take care.